Hey guys, welcome back from Insanity Films, and today I'm just gonna show you how to create a refresh reload button in Wix. Because recently I was editing my own website and I'm going to show you, and I needed a function, a button to refresh and reload the page because maybe the clients, the customers are messing that up, so they need to refresh the page without going to the, the reload of the refresh page in the browser, so it's a little bit easier and more accessible. And I'll show you how it is in my website, which is this one right here. Let's go to custom grip tapes, and this is, by the way, is on sale is in a new video that I will upload later today. It's the print on demand from Wix, but it's really all customized and advanced, and it's on sale. So I'll show you. Oh, well, you will see the video. But anyway, let's say that I do whatever I do and I mess up, and I just want to restart also uploading an image. Instead of clicking reload, blah blah blah, I'm just going to click on reload page, and voila, it's done. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to a new page in a new website. Let's say we have a form and whatever it is. So let's save this, let's publish it, and done. Let's go here and refresh normally, like you normally do.
Oh wait a second. I just wanted to let you know that if you want to get more information on how to get views and get more popular on YouTube, check the link in the description down below. That's what I use, TubeBuddy.
So let's type something, blah blah blah, but maybe oh gosh, I messed it up. Also, I got images like in my website, and you don't want to do the usual refresh. You maybe just want a button to stay in the page, like literally in the page. So what do? You click a button and refresh, and let's do that. Pretty easy. First step, we need to create a button, and just create a custom button. Let's place it at the bottom, centered. Let's change the text to refresh, if I can spell, and reload. Okie dokie. And let's leave it as it is. Let's give it a name right there at the bottom. Let's call it button refresh. Great. And now I'm gonna copy and paste the code that you will find in the description down below. It's a pretty easy code, and that's it. So you will import the Wix location from Wix location, then onReady, set the button onReady. When you click the button, which is as a name, onClick, go to the Wix location. You have to put the address of the exact page you want to reload, which is the same page you are in it. It's really that easy. It's basically already done. I'm gonna save, publish, and done. Let's go back and reload normally the page. There we have it. So let's type a name, blah blah blah, as usual. Oh shit, I messed it up, sorry. Reload and refresh. Oh, there you go, we have it. Now let's do it again. Oh shoot, I messed it up. Let's refresh and reload. So guys, it's really that easy. It's just a couple of lines, and it's kind of handy, especially on my other website. It's really nice. Also check my other video right in the cards how to do a custom button. Basically a button that you can only see, but not your customers or your clients, only you, to check your orders or anything. It's a button that you can only use, not anybody else, just you. Check this tutorial as well, it's really interesting. If you like this video and you find it useful, as usual, the usual stuff, like, comment down below, subscribe for more. If you want more videos like this, please leave it in the comment down below and subscribe. It really does help our business and everything, and it's fun to do. And as usual, Insanity Films out!